Are you tired of the same old boring cucumber slices that just sit on your plate? Well, let's spice things up with some fun cuts that will make your cucumbers actually taste way better and more enjoyable to eat. First, wash and dry your cucumbers, then cut off the ends. Use a vegetable peeler to remove the skin, which tends to be highly fibrous and a little dry. And then next, we are going to get creative. Cut the cucumber into halves and then spiralize them into beautiful fan swirls, just like this. Oh my gosh, so yum. Switch things up by changing out the blade and then re-spiralize into fun cucumber noodles. This actually is one of my favorite ways to have cucumber. Grab another cucumber, cut it in half, remove the skin, and then we're going to slice that half into quarter and scoop out the seeds if necessary. My seeds were smooth and soft, so I left them in, and then we're just going to cut them into crescent moon shapes. And then with the other half, we are going to slice them into 1/4 inch sheets and then cut into matchsticks. Super easy, right? And now for a unique twist, take a whole cucumber and just smash it with a wooden rolling pin into little odd pieces. Trust me, these shapes give you a much better crunch and they soak up the sauces a lot better. Now, finally, if you want to have your cucumber noodles, for example, be a lot more crisp, you can soak them in an ice bath for about 5 minutes and then drain them on a paper towel. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy your cucumbers like never before. Make sure that you're following me, guys, for more delicious tips just like this.